Okay, welcome to Crazy Gamers unbagging of items from NoSweat. So we got here. They gave us a variety pack, it looks like. And out of these, I think I'm only be able to use the hat liner. But they sent me a face shield liner, which cool, but I don't have a face shield. I do have face masks and plenty of them. Alright, cool. I'll have to give that to somebody who's got a face shield. This one here is a visor liner. And again, I don't think I own a visor. But this one, the hat liner, this one I can for sure use because this is one of my favorite hats. It's mini-me, very eclectic, hard to replace. But with the white lining on the inside, I sweat. So yes, a little bit unsightly there, but I'm the only one that wears this hat. But again, I don't think anybody else would want to because of that. So let's see what we got here. So, disposable hat liner. So you just peel it and stick it on the hats. So it would just kind of just go like that, but hey, let's give it a shot. Let's cover it up, and it's black, so it'll look nicer. I have a cat, by the way. Alright, I gotta set this stuff down. Yep, still there. She wants to go on this chair. She's like, come on. I have some needs I want to give you. I'm trying to keep my hair out of the way while doing the install here. It's not that sticky, to be honest. So I'm not sure how long this will stay in, but oh, and we don't want it sticking out. That's kind of unsightly. Alright, so not easy. Let me get my hair in the way. Alright, so I think it's installed. Some hair stick is stuck to it. There we go. Alright, so it's pretty comfortable. You can feel the edges a little bit, so I think I got it all covered. Maybe slightly over there, but definitely feels like there's some protection there now, some sweat protection. So yeah, I think this was a 3-pack? Yep, 3-pack. So I got 2 more to try out. So here you go. So NoSweat. So I think they have VR products too, but I was sent hat, visor, and face shield. So I'll give it a shot. Thank you for watching.